Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel, Learn with Baba. I bet you didn't know Python is the language of the future. But do you know what makes it tick? Let's dive into the world of Python operators. Operators are the special symbols or keywords in Python that perform operations on variables and values. Think of them as the building blocks of logic, allowing you to carry out computations, comparisons, and data manipulations effectively. For example, in the expression 10 plus 5, 10 and 5 are operands, and plus is the operator doing the addition. Simple, right? Operators can be binary, like A plus B, or unary, like A. Breaking it down, we've got arithmetic operators for math calculation, assignment operators to assign values, comparison operators to compare values and return true or false, logical operators to combine conditions, identity operators to check if variables refer to the same object, membership operators to check for value presence in sequences, bitwise operators for binary number operations. Operators streamline your code, making complex tasks simpler. So next time you write a Python script, remember, operators are your best friends. Happy coding. Please subscribe to my channel.